Give me about 30 seconds and I'll prove to you why your manifestations aren't working the way you want them to work. And then I'll explain how to fix it. So the reason why your manifestations aren't working is because you never manifest what you want. You manifest becoming the person that has those things. You manifest becoming the person that has that life. We don't manifest things. We manifest the new us, the new me. That's what we manifest. And therefore, you need to have a different approach or add a few things to your current techniques. Now, your current techniques will blow up once you include the things I'm going to share with you in this video. So, what I want you to do is start acting like the person you wished to be. And the way you're going to do this is by, first of all, visualizing and thinking, how does that person feel? How does that person act? Now, is that person negative all the time? Or is it positive? That person is probably a lot more positive than he or she is negative. And that person probably has a lot of good things coming into their lives, right? People calling them, being happy, boss being happy with what they're doing, getting contracts, getting love, all of these things. It's all attracted to them, right? And they're happy with that. So how can you put that into your life? The way you do so is by focusing on the small things, by using what's called the confirmation bias principle. Now, in this channel, I'm going to dive into that one a lot because that is the secret sauce to get everything you want in your life. There's other secret sauce, but that's a really important one. And by the way, if you like this information, please go ahead, subscribe, and like this channel. Also, I'm going to have a community pretty soon where like-minded people are going to be able to join and are going to be able to help each other so that we can manifest much, much faster. And I'm going to leave a link to this community whenever it gets created. It's going to be in the comment box down below. So subscribe for that so you know when it gets released. So anyways, let's get back to it. How do you become that person? How do you attract these things into your life? What you do is you start noticing it. You know when you buy a car and you've never seen this car before, but when you buy it, that's the only car that you see on the street. You notice it a lot. This is how you need to rewire your brain. So what I want you to do is have a statement in your mind, a little idea. So it could be that you are a magnet for wealth. It could be that you're a magnet for love, a magnet for whatever you want in your life, okay? Whatever that ideal you has, I want you to become a magnet for one of his or her quality. And keep that statement in your mind, okay? So let me give you an example, a magnet for love as an example. So if you would have one of these things in your mind, like a magnet for love, what you would do is you would say, I'm a magnet for love. And you would look for proof in your life every day that you are a magnet for love. So somebody looks at you and gives you a little smile. That's right, I'm a magnet for love. Somebody says hi to you. That's right, I'm a magnet for love. Your friend calls you. That's right, I'm a magnet for love. You have a fight with your husband or your wife. That's right, I'm a magnet for love. We have arguments in couple, and these arguments sometimes, a lot of times, they mean that we love each other because we care. This is the reason why we have these arguments, right? So I want you to become extremely, extremely, extremely biased towards the things that you want to manifest in your life. And this is what's going to happen. I want you to think about a magnet. So here I have a, where's it? Right here. All right, this is my microphone. And this is a magnet, okay? So we have a magnet right here. Now, if I put the microphone really, really far, right? All the qualities, the love is here and this is the magnet. The love is here and the magnet is here. And it's very, very far. I don't have love in my life. But the more I pile confirmations that there's love in my life, the more it gets attracted, the more the magnet gets strong. And what happens? It sticks to it. This is what I want you to do. I want you to pile a bunch of different magnet rocks together. And then your magnet is going to become strong enough to attract these magnet rocks to the magnet. So the magnet rocks are like love or whatever you want to say, right? And it gets attracted to your magnet for the love or for the money, for whatever you want. I hope this analogy made sense. Now, if you know me, you know that I've been trying to put a video every single day. I want to be as raw, as honest as possible. So sometimes my explanations are a little bit all over the place, but I hope you understand them. I hope they touch your heart. I hope you can feel my passion. And I would just really like you to be in this community, whether it's on YouTube or the community I'll put down below. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and most importantly, please go ahead and leave some comments down below, because I try to respond to everybody and I want to make videos for you to see what you want to do. However, when I write a comment, some of you don't answer back. So please go ahead, answer back to me, leave a comment. I'll make a video for what you want to see. And I promise you this, I don't make videos like everybody else, teach you the same crap as everybody else. I teach science-based manifestation that you will not hear anywhere else. Now, the confirmation bias principle, there's a ton of research about that stuff out there. You can research it on your own, or if you're interested, I'll also put some links to some of the scientific articles down below. Just let me know, all right? So cheers and bye for now.